Today we are going to be calling a US number for free. Yes, welcome to Team Products Online. This is Percy and let's get into the video. Alright guys, so what you need to have is to have registered your Gmail account, and you need this app if you are using Android. So you need a Hangouts APK. So we need this one first, right? And let's open it up and I'll just show you around how it looks. Alright, so this is our Hangouts, and these are the numbers that I called. And let's go back. As you can see on my balance here, it's actually 0. You can add balance to call, but as the purpose of this video is actually to call for free. So let's go back to Play Store. We need to add another app. Alright, so we need Hangouts. Now we need the dialer. I don't know why they separated it, but you also need this one. So this one is the one that helps you to dial numbers. The other app doesn't let you dial numbers. It only lets you call numbers that are already in your Google account or on your call log. So you open. Alright, so this one you'll be able to dial the number +1 then XXXXX, right? Alright, so on this video we are only calling a US number, so let's see which number we can call. As you can see, again my credit is 0, so let's just call this one. As you can see, it's actually ringing, right? And it's simple as that. You can call a US number for free using Google Hangouts, right? So I'm not gonna stay on the call. I'm going to hang up, right? But if you need to test it out, and I'll see you on the next video. So this was Percy and this was Team Products Online. Alright, so another side note, make sure that you've got good internet connectivity to hear the person more clearly than on a bad internet, right? Simple as that. So I hope you find this video useful, and I'll see you on the next one.